Hanna Somatics can be described as a neuromuscular re-education set of procedures. It's not what we sound like so much, it's about what we are doing to get sound out of the body. And voice is a product of the body, it's not a product of the throat per se. So a lot of things that go on in the body can affect how easy or how hard it is to get sound to come out of it. Hanna Somatics is practiced in two ways. There's individual work where a person can do a certain set of movements and exercises on their own, usually on a mat or a rug. And then we have the table work, the one-on-one hands-on work, where someone is taken through a very series of movements for different parts of the body. It's really about getting the brain and the muscles to start having a different conversation with each other, to release muscles that are chronically tight and contracted, causing limitation and pain. And we can start getting people to get more in touch with their own processes, their own awareness of their movement patterns in terms of how they sit and stand and move and use themselves to do these things as well as to vocalize. Neuromuscular patterns all the way into the foot and ankle can set up patterns all the way into the neck and jaw. So often we work with people to get them back in touch with their own sensorimotor processes to help muscles reset resting lengths, so people get out of tension and pain or anything that blocks good, healthy voice from coming out. Because it's not always what we sound like, it's what are we doing to sound that way. Can we take away any of the processes in the body that make it too hard to produce voice? Can we free the muscles not involved in the task of voice production and get the most efficient, effective use out of the ones that are involved? I think this is the only place in the United States that I know of where you can get that kind of work, Hanna Somatics, along with voice therapy work. There are other practitioners around the country who practice a few other of the complementary alternative disciplines that we might call them, but this is the only place where you can get this kind of treatment, 2 in 1 on the same day.